Hi and welcome to my unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Fold 6. I never owned a folding phone. I did check out some in the store, but never really bought one. Anyway, let's get this open here. I ordered this direct from Samsung and they included a clear case for free. This is the Galaxy Fold 6 box. Let's first open up this one here. Alright, so here we also have the manual on how to attach this one. So we'll put on the side. Not needed. We got the seals here, which we can just open up like this on here. And open up. The flap here. Somebody who never used a flip phone, the grease is actually quite obvious for me. So yeah, it's a very apparent thing for me. And this is the outside screen. Let's remove this one as well. Do you want to see a camera comparison with this? I have in mind a camera comparison against the Galaxy S24 Ultra, maybe against the Pixel Fold. Let me know in the comments if you're interested in this. I will add some little photo samples, so let me know what you think about this. If you like this video, a thumbs up would be great, and please consider a subscription. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 does have 3 ways to take selfies. First of all, we have the under-display camera, which just has 4 megapixels, and the quality really is not great. The second camera would be the front-facing camera of the outside screen. It is already much better in quality, and here we also can use the portrait mode, which we can't use for the under-display camera. And last but not least, we can use the main camera for selfies as well. This, of course, will give us the best quality, which we can also see in this portrait shot here. And now we will zoom in on this tower here. We will start with the ultra wide and we'll go up to the maximum zoom, which is 30x. The Z Fold 6 has a 3x optical lens, and up to there the shots look really fine. The further we zoom in, we will see the quality dip, obviously. Recording in 4K with 30 frames per second using the ultra wide lens. We can go up to the main lens. Now we have 3x zoom, and the maximum zoom goes up to 12 times. So back on the ultra wide now. If you want to record a video with the inside screens, we have the option for this full HD, and it goes 30 or 60 frames per second. This one is now with 30 frames per second, and this is the quality you can expect. Now I'm using the selfie camera of the outside screen. The quality looks already much better because also we can go up to 4K here, and I'm shooting in 4K with 30 frames per second this time. Now let's check the best camera of the bunch. So here even we can record in up to 8K with the main camera lens. Of course, it should have the best quality of them all. So we have 1080p with a front-facing camera of the big screen. The outside camera gives us up to 4K with 60 frames per second, and the main lens can give us 8K. And if we use it like this, we can use it even as a selfie camera, which is of course giving us the best quality, but also the biggest hassle to hold it in my eyes.